The 1989 Autocar ACL64 with a 5,000 gallon 3-compartment aluminum tank, stock number 894791. So 1989 Autocar ACL64 TD122 Volvo engine at 355 horsepower. Has a Volvo VT1214 transmission. Has power steering, air brakes, air conditioned, 12R 22.5 front tires on spokes, 11R 22.5 rear tires on spokes. Has 2 fuel tanks. Right side is 100 gallons and left side is 85 gallons. 66,000 GVW. Has a Volvo T-Ride suspension and a block heater. Tank is a 1976 Tech-Weld 5,000 gallon 3-compartment aluminum tank. The compartment sizes are 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. MC306AL. Has a 2.5-inch Blackmer pump. Has a 2-inch Neptune meter and register with auto stop and ticket printer to be installed. Has an electric hose reel with around 125 feet of hose and OPW nozzle. New cable operated internal valves. As you can see, it was bottom load vapor recovery Scully go anywhere system. Has hose tubes on each side of tank. There's new paint on the tank. Again, this is a 1989 Autocar ACL64 with a 5,000 gallon 3-compartment aluminum tank, stock number 894791. Please give us a call at 865-524-5678 or visit us online at www.petroleumtrucks.net.